In this video, I'm going to show you an example so that you know how to do a problem like this. Make sure that it's on Scribble so that you can circle and put rectangles and things like that. And it says, number 1, circle the variables. So I'm going to start by putting a circle around the variables. So x is a variable, y is a variable. I see another variable here. Remember, variables are the symbols that represent a number. Okay, great. So I've circled all the variables, so I'm finished with that. Next it says, draw an arrow to the coefficients. Write in any coefficient of 1 or -1 before drawing the arrows. Alright, I just want this to look a little bit more fun, so I'm going to choose a different color. And the first thing I'm going to do is look for any variables that have a 1 in front of them. And I see this x. I don't see a number in front of it, but remember every variable has a coefficient. So we know that there must be a hidden 1 right here. So there's a 1 in front of that x. I also notice this w on the end. It looks like there's not a number right in front of it. So this must be a 1 as well. In fact, it's a -1. Alright, now I can draw an arrow to the coefficients. So this is a coefficient. Remember, co means with or together. So the 10 is with the x, so that's a coefficient. The 2 is with the y. We could also say it's being multiplied by the y. And I'll draw that in over here too. The 10 is being multiplied by the x. The 1 is the coefficient of x. Because it's right in front of the x, it's being multiplied by the x. And then down here, the -1 is the coefficient of w. It is the number in front of the w, it's the number being multiplied by the w. So those are all coefficients. I'm done with the coefficients. Now it says, put a rectangle around the constant. So I'm going to switch to a new color. You don't have to, but I just want to. Alright, around the constants. So the constants are the numbers that stand alone. So there's no variable right here attached to it. It's all alone, that -8 is. Same with the 75. So I'm going to put a rectangle around that. So I'm finished with the rectangles, or the constants, I should say. And then from here it says record whether this is an equation, EQ, or an expression. Well, an equation has an equal sign, and with an expression there is no equal sign. I do not see an equal sign at all here. So this is an expression, so I'm going to put EX, and then I'm going to put a little check because I'm finished.